Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very simple dish with broccoli and chicken. So easy to make and so delicious to eat and so healthy. Look. All you need is steamed rice and you can eat this dish. So delicious. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share the recipe, like and leave a comment, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get further notification about my next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. So let's begin. I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful dish. You can try this at home. Very healthy to eat and delicious. In my wok, first I'm going to add some oil. So let's add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Start. Once the wok is nice and hot, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. I'm going to use about 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. And to this, I'm going to add black bean sauce. I'm going to use about same quantity. One and a half teaspoon of black bean sauce. And quickly add my chicken. I've used boneless chicken leg. Let's add some light soy. About 1 teaspoon of light soy. And 1 teaspoon of dark soy. Alright, and let the chicken cook now. Let's add seasoning, a little bit of sugar, next half a teaspoon of chicken essence or chicken powder, which is seasoning powder. Okay, not too much because you already have soy sauce, you've got the black bean sauce which is already salty. So the chicken looks almost cooked. It does not take that much of time. Let me just taste the seasoning. Yeah, it's perfect. I'm now going to add the broccoli. I'm using about half a kilo of chicken and half a kilo of broccoli, equal amount. Okay. I'm now going to cover this and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So the broccoli has been cooking for the last 5 minutes. have a look. It's almost cooked. Now if you want some sauce to it, what you can do is add some water. I'm using about 1 cup of water to make a nice sauce. See? Lovely sauce below. Let this come up to a boil, and then we will add cornstarch to make it nice and thick. I've made a cornstarch slurry. I'm going to slowly add this to thicken up my sauce. Make a nice thick gravy so that I can eat this with my steamed rice. Look how easy and quick it is. Nice and thick, and it's well coating my broccoli as well. Just one more 30 to 40 seconds and it's done. Look how easy it is and quick. Let me taste. I'll just taste for the seasoning. Perfect. I'm going to turn off my flame now and serve it with steamed rice. So here you go. My broccoli with chicken is ready. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the like and share the recipe with your friends and family. Don't forget to click on the bell icon as well so you get notification about the next recipe that I will be posting on my channel for free. Thank you so much for watching. Please do enjoy this with steamed rice and hope to see you again. Bye bye. Thank you.